The students in South Africa learned empowerment and technology. As I said, only 8 months ago, they'd never seen a computer. So they learned the internet, a computer, how to type, how to use a digital camera. The students who are more advanced in technology are also learning internet research, web-based documentation. You can see the whole list there. And so it's really up to each school where they are in their curriculum to fit it in. So what's next? As I said, we're expanding these conversations. We're looking to use it elsewhere. We're also looking, later on, we're going to look in the context of all the projects you've heard here, the 4 of us, different actionable points that you think how the projects could be taken further, how things you're doing can be combined with it, how our things can be combined so we can have something when we meet here next year or meet in the next location for the Web4Dev, we have some things that we can look at and say, do we move forward or not? And we're also looking to improve the social networking site. Right now we've put together to the developers a number of things to make it even more integrated into education. But that's something we're going to be working on next week. So now I'd like to just quickly show you a short video of the project. It's going to start a little bit in the middle.
Sanele and Ascenda are already the students of tomorrow, thanks to this futuristic tool called the Gigapan. This robot, developed with the collaboration of NASA to study Mars, takes panoramic views of the Earth automatically. Sanele and Ascenda are 2 of the 1,200 students in the public school of Soweto, one of 4 schools in the world to be chosen by UNESCO IBE and Associated Schools Network and Carnegie Mellon University. Their mission? To test the Gigapan. Today their assignment is to make a report about their local area. It doesn't take them long to figure out how this new machine works.
So what happens is it's taking small pictures, and then it comes into a Gigapan when they stitch them and they become one big panorama.
Back at the school, Sanele and Ascenda are eager to discover the results of their work. In this memory card are Gigapans of Soweto, their personal vision of their area. A program assembles them and reconstitutes each panoramic picture in high definition, up to 600 million pixels. Thanks to the large zoom capacity, details become apparent which are invisible to the naked eye. Once the images are downloaded onto a special site, which can store up to 4,000 photos, the Gigapans are sent to 3 partner schools throughout the world, one of which is in Pittsburgh in the United States. These images will be the starting point of an intercultural exchange. Here in Soweto, the children are learning how to use computers thanks to the introduction of the Gigapan, a tool which is helping to break down the digital divide and to create a worldwide social network to foster mutual understanding.
This is a very exciting project, and its potentials for education are really exciting because it allows students self-discovery, enables them to go through a panorama and zoom in into areas that they really like. So this is a self-discovery, a conversation with other students, and it can be implicated in various subjects.
When the children are supposed to document the world with the Gigapan, suddenly they have to think, where are the places in Soweto that have historical significance? Where was the apartheid, anti-apartheid struggle happening? And when they go there physically and they use the Gigapan, with a new eye, they're seeing a place that's very important historically, and this causes them to do new research on the history of their very own culture and region. So the Gigapan becomes a catalyst to help them understand their place better and to communicate that idea to other people better.
We're in downtown Johannesburg. This is called the Museum Africa of the business capital. Sanele, Ascenda and the other students from their school have been invited here. They have come to admire their own photographic work, printed out in large format. Their dialogues with other students from the Caribbean and the United States are also on show. Illa, the researcher from Carnegie Mellon, and Christopher from UNESCO have organized this Gigapan exhibition. We can see the Soweto township and the homes of apartheid, but also the Regina Mundi Church, target of police operations during apartheid, and the shopping centre, a symbol of the economic development of Soweto.
This is my word.
and even the kitchen in Asenda's family home.
Hey, chick! I wish my little cousin was here to see this. It's my aunt. That's my aunt. This is my aunt. I took it at home because my aunt prepared like this traditional food.